Noumed was started in 2016 and it's a generics pharmaceutical company. We're essentially a startup. Our primary objective was to bring manufacturing back to the UK. Our portfolio is about 160 or so products in the UK right now. And then we've also expanded our operations to Australia, where we have another 170 products or so. The primary reason to choose a system like SAP Business ByDesign was a balance between scalability and cost. So as a startup, we could not afford the large ERP systems. We couldn't afford the configuration and the 2 to 3 year long projects. We also have an expanding customer base. So the ability to scale to all of those customers is what SAP will help us drive.
We're able to put together a proposal around ongoing support. That's extended out now into our overseas businesses, so in Australia and New Zealand.
This is very easy to deal with, very reactive into if an inquiry is needing to be addressed urgently or within a time frame that we've requested. Very good at setting up meetings to ensure that we understand how the system works and why the system's behaved like that.
SAP Business ByDesign gives us the comfort, credibility in terms of reliability, in terms of performance, certainly of a cloud-based system.
We integrate SAP reports with Power BI, so we can see our forecasts, inventory levels, what the purchase order history is, what our planned purchases are, and put all that data together and come up with a very clear, distinct production plan and production requirement for this month, next month. This drives that decision making a lot easier.
SAP Business ByDesign is a good tool to have to be able to facilitate the production within our company from a manufacturing point of view to a manufacturing point of view, to also being able to facilitate products to be shipped to our customers, to be able to purchase product, because you can see what's required and what stock we have and what's yet to be run. It's really good to use. It's quite easy once you know what you're looking for, how to use it.
SAP Business ByDesign allows us to plan for our future and does it with ease of scale and data.